Ça c'est première fois.
This is the first time.
Ça c'est première fois.
This is the last time.
Ça c'est dernière fois.
This is the last time.
Ça c'est dernière fois.
Who knows?
Qui moun qui connaît?
Who knows?
Qui moun qui connaît?
God only knows.
Bon Dieu celle qui connaît.
God only knows.
Bon Dieu celle qui connaît.
Everybody knows about it.
Tout moun connaît de li.
Everybody knows about it.
Tout moun connaît de li.
Do you have an idea?
Est-ce que ou genyon l'idée?
Do you have an idea?
Est-ce que ou genyon l'idée?
I have no idea.
Moi pas gen aucune l'idée.
I have no idea.
Moi pas gen aucune l'idée.
I have a good idea.
Moi genyon bon l'idée.
I have a good idea.
Moi genyon bon l'idée.
That's a bad idea.
Ça c'est yon mauvais l'idée.
That's a bad idea.
Ça c'est yon mauvais l'idée.
Tell me the truth.
Dis-moi vérité a.
Tell me the truth.
Dis-moi vérité a.
Don't lie to me.
Pa bay mwen menti.
Don't lie to me.
Pa bay mwen menti.
I don't want to hear that anymore.
Mwen pa vle tande sa ankor.
I don't want to hear that anymore.
Mwen pa vle tande sa ankor.
Everyone must be present.
Tout moun doit présent.
Everyone must be present.
Tout moun doit présent.
There is a meeting tomorrow.
Gen yon réunion demain.
There is a meeting tomorrow.
Gen yon réunion demain.
I knew that.
Mwen te konnen sa.
I knew that.
Mwen te konnen sa.
That is a big problem.
Sa se yon gros problème.
That is a big problem.
Sa se yon gros problème.
What are you doing here?
Ki sa wap fè la?
What are you doing here?
Ki sa wap fè la?
You have to go right away.
Ou doy ale tout suite?
You have to go right away.
Ou doy ale tout suite?
You are right.
Ou gen raison?
You are right.
Ou gen raison?
You are wrong.
Ou gen tort?
You are wrong.
Ou gen tort?
That's true.
C'est vrai.
That's true.
C'est vrai.
That's a great idea.
Sa se yon bon l'idée.
That's a great idea.
Sa se yon bon l'idée.
Are you okay?
Est-ce que ou en forme?
Are you okay?
Est-ce que ou en forme?
It's good to see you again.
Li bon pou mwe ou ankor.
It's good to see you again.
Li bon pou mwe ou ankor.
I'm going to take a break.
Mwen pral pran yon ti repos.
I'm going to take a break.
Mwen pral pran yon ti repos.
I want to eat now.
Mwen vle manje kounye a.
I want to eat now.
Mwen vle manje kounye a.
Wait a moment.
Tan yon ti moman.
Wait a moment.
Tan yon ti moman.